Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, we're going to have a look at what I've been getting up to in May. So the main thing I got done, which you might have seen, was the interior on the Subaru. That's all finished now, it's all painted, all fitted. And we took that for a bit of a spin. Okay, granted it was only around the kitchen. As in typical British fashion, it started to rain the day I was recording the video. I also had a week away for my birthday, so I decided to treat myself. Got myself a new buggy. I like the look of this when I saw the release pictures of it, and as Time Tunnel had an offer on. Thought, why not? Speaking of buggies, I also went and picked up my TTO2B. This is one of the first ones that I built. The original spoiler got destroyed, so printed a mount, fitted another one. So looking forward to getting that back out again. I've had some goodies turn up for the MB01 and BT01. We've got some aluminium balls for the suspension and some shims, so we'll see if we can get rid of any of the slop. And of course there's been some 3D printing. So in last month's video you'd have seen I did the design on the Mondeo wheels. These are now finally printed in resin. I've used Sunlu ABS like in white. So a quick sand to get rid of any layer lines, coat of white, they should be ready to go. Also made a bit of a tool up for checking what offset wheels would fit best. As you can see, you've got 3, 6 and 9mm on the inside. Slide it in, rotate it around, lock it in place. You can then bolt that onto the car and see exactly how your wheels are going to fit. Find out what offset you need, rather than ordering a load of different offsets and finding out it still don't look right. Also, a few more M chassis wheels. So we've got my Rotogrid style wheels, some teardrops, some Borbet A's, and some Pirelli P slots. These are all on an M chassis size. But I have done the P slots in a 52mm touring car size as well. If you're after a set of wheels for your car, whether it be M chassis or standard 52mm, I'll put my email address up, send me a message and I'll see what I can do. What's coming up? Well, my plan is to drop another speed controller in this, get this one ready to go, get the TTO1 rally car built up and get the DTO4 built up as well. Take them all out, have a razz round with my friend because he's not sure what he wants, so he can try a few different things. TTO1, TTO2B, DTO4, see what he likes. So then he can decide what he wants to run around with his son's lunchbox. I'm also toying with the idea of entering Poor Boy RC's speed challenge. This year he's using the Grasshopper or the Hornet. I'm toying with the idea of going with the Hornet. It's one of those cars that I've kind of wanted for a while but never actually bought. So surely that's a good enough excuse. What do we think? That's pretty much it for this month. So as I say, Subaru got finished. I've been churning out wheels as usual, making some random stuff, and also getting more projects. I'm never going to learn. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and go and find out if I've got enough spare parts to build another TTO1. I'm going to guess I have. Right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.